Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can explore the trending sound effects in CapCut to add to your edits. So here, just open the project or the edits that you want to add sound effects. And after that, click on the add audio button, this one, and go to the sound effects. And here is the currently trend sound effects on CapCut. So just find the one that you want to use. Let's hear some of the trending sound effect. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this sound effects to my edit. Click on the plus, and don't forget to adjust the length so it match with your edits, also where it starts. So for example, this is the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.